Really not very much rain for us here.
No, too much heat, too much humidity,
Not enough rain.
Yes,
Too much for sure. And we've got a couple more days in that too much category as far as heat and humidity go. And you mentioned the fact that we haven't had much in the way of rain. We are now abnormally dry for a good part of central Indiana. So we bring back the drought monitor.
Okay.
Wow.
Yeah, it's been a while. So the heat wave taking a toll, the dry conditions starting to take a toll. This is something we will continue to monitor and keep you weather aware. 92 for the second day in a row, 71 this morning, 92 close but not quite to that record of 98 degrees set back in 1988. Sunset this evening is at 9:17. June typically one of our wettest months. We're now over halfway through and we're sitting just over an inch of rain. I'll have more on that for you coming up at 5:30. Lots of sunshine. It's 88 degrees in Indianapolis. Winds west southwest at 7 for the second day in a row. Temperatures high, but dew points a little lower. Instead of in that oppressive range in the 70s, we've got dew points sitting in the mid 60s. Still definitely uncomfortable out there, still plenty hot, and we're forecasting a repeat during the day tomorrow. But watch what happens to the dew points on Sunday as that storm chance arrives. The moisture in the atmosphere increases. We get into that miserable range on Sunday. So Sunday will definitely be more humid than tomorrow. Then we get a nice drop, a comfortable feel as we kick off next week on Monday. Saturday forecast, much like today, a mix of sun and clouds, 76 at 8 a.m., 90 at noon, highs between 90 and 95. The heat index values, again, will top out in the mid 90s as we head into tomorrow afternoon. Another thing to keep in mind, we measure this time of year, especially the UV index, 1 through 11. Well, we're going to be between 10 and 11 tomorrow, which means your burn time can be 10 to 15 minutes. You'll need the sunscreen if you've got outdoor plans tomorrow, and remember the extra water and the shade too. Sunday forecast does include a couple of thunderstorms around, temperatures in the upper 80s, close to 90, but Sunday will be the more humid day this weekend. Let's look ahead with Future Track 13 to that storm chance. We're dry Saturday night. This is 11 p.m. It'll be after midnight, just before sunrise. If this holds together, we get a couple spotty showers and thunderstorms in here, and maybe a few additional storms developing south with the heat of the afternoon. That's where we find that risk of some stronger storms, the severe threat on Sunday across the southeastern sections of the state. Dew point temperatures uncomfortable Sunday, as I mentioned, but get much more comfortable Sunday night into the early part of next week. 94 tomorrow, 89 with a storm chance on Sunday. Still warm Monday, but not as muggy. The muggy day next week will be Tuesday with more storm chances.